create, and progress. So, for some of you, Earth signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, you have this decluttering. So, maybe for some of you is literal na nag-resign na sa inyong work, no? Kung makikita mo rito is parang haggard na ikaw, no? Earth signs, no? So, but then you have this glass of wine here, no? So, parang you are celebrating pa, no? Even though na parang haggard ka na, no? Kasi at least, parang at last, you felt freedom na no? Kumbaga siguro pagod na pagod ka na dito sa iyong ginagawa dito, sa iyong work, no? So for some of you, no? So parang sinasabi sa iyo dito ni universe is, yes, tama yung ginawa mo, air sign, na nag-turn back ka na dyan sa iyong job man o career, di ba? Or sa isang sitwasyon, di ba? Pwede rin na you turn your back na-realize mo na rin na nauubos ka na, no? Something like that, no? So, it's time for you to move out, no? To move forward to another path of your life, no? So, celebrate, yes. You have to celebrate dahil at least nakaalis ka na sa nagpapahirap sa'yo, no? Earth sign, so, yeah. So, and this one is rehabilitation. So, for some of you naman, Earth sign is sinasabi ni universe, ni God, na advice sa iyo is to take a relaxation, no? Maybe for some of you is napaka-drain na drain niya, no? Siguro may connection din dito, no? Dahil sa from the kung saan man kayo tumalikod na trabaho, na business, na or kung saan anong sitwasyon man yan is sobrang na-haggard kayo, sobrang na-drain ang inyong energy, ang inyong yun nga, ang inyong self, no? So you need to rest, no? Take some rest. 'Di ba? 'Di ba ito, kumbaga nagkulang kayo sa tulog, no? Kung ano man yung pinagdaanan niyo, no, collective, no? So, yes, ina-advisean kayo na mag-rest kayo. You need some rest, no? Alagaan yung sarili niyo, air signs, no? So, and for the last one is you have this create and progress. So, for some of you, and yes, most of you air signs, no? Ako air signs din ako, Libra ako, no? So, sinasabi sa inyo ni universe, ang message is advice to, I think, is this is you have this creativity of yours, no, air signs. So it's time for you to pursue that, to discover the skills you have, no, or to enhance, 'di ba? Palawakin mo ano man itong skills mo, 'di ba? Gain more knowledge about your skills, and then eventually magpo-progress ito.